Welcome to Geographic Definitions. Today we'll be defining Alpine. Alpine refers to landscapes resembling the European Alps or any other high elevation mountain range. First, what is elevation? Elevation is height above sea level. Suppose this is you, and you travel to a mountain landscape to spice up your Instagram. The elevation will be the distance between the sea level behind you and the peak of the mountain in front of you. This is what a high elevation mountain would look like. Essentially just a massive mountain. With that defined, where are the European Alps? The European Alps are located roughly where Italy and Switzerland meet. Here you'll find the European Alps. When we use the term Alpine, we're referring to a biome that is either literally the European Alps or just high elevation mountain ranges. Thus, Alpine refers to landscapes resembling the European Alps or any other high elevation mountain range. Thank you for watching. Please support the channel by subscribing, leaving a comment and liking the video. If you're interested in these resources, please visit my test store, link in the description.